Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek and today I am very excited to present you this case graphics pack for After Effects. Now this pack is designed by MoGraph Motions and it contains 4500 plus animations which are under 23 different categories such as slideshow, typography, transitions, titles and lower third, logo animations, sound effects and much more. This pack is powered by free Atom extension which makes using this pack super easy. You can get live preview of your animations, add them using just one click, and you can customize the elements directly from the extension. All the animations are very well designed and these will help you in saving a lot of time. Right now there is a flat 30% off sale going on and this pack is available just for $39. Not only this, if you purchase this pack right now, you will get two other packs which are 550 plus motion graphics pack and 555 plus title and lower thirds pack absolutely free. Now after purchasing the pack, claiming your freebies is very easy. So all you have to do is just simply go to MoGraph Motions user page and under the profile tab, you can see we have this message section and all you have to do is just simply type hashtag dope gift and then just simply click on send. So after this they will verify your purchase and make sure you are sending the message from your registered email from which you have bought the pack. So once the verification is complete, they will send you the packs along with the license code so you can easily use them with the Atom extension. So now let's jump into After Effects and let's see what this pack can do. Alright, so right now I'm in After Effects and here you can see that I've already installed the case graphics pack. And the installation process is very easy. You will find all the details within the download. So after the installation, you can access this by simply going to Windows and from here under extension, you can enable the Atom extension. And after that, it will give you this dockable panel which you can align anywhere in your UI and it's completely responsive. So you can just simply dock it anywhere you want. And right away you can see we have different type of categories. So we have total 23 categories over here. And you can just simply preview all the elements by simply moving your mouse onto them and it will give you a really nice preview. And if you come over here, you can see we can resize this and make them smaller or larger however you want. It's completely up to you. Also there is this option called auto play, so if you click on it, so it will start playing all the animations and you can have a really nice preview of what each of these look like. But if you don't want, you can just simply turn this off. And now you can just simply move your cursor and it will give you a really nice preview. Now let's check out some of these categories. So right over here we have the slideshow. So if I click on that, you can see we have bunch of different subcategories under it and you can just simply scroll down and you can check out any of these that you want. And there are a bunch of different type of styles that you can pick from depending upon whatever type of video you are working on. So these are very nicely designed and let me just quickly show you some of these examples. So let's try out this one. And right now I have this composition. Now the best thing about this is that you can just simply add your elements by simply clicking on this apply button and within few seconds you can see that now our animation has been imported and I can just simply preview it just like this. And you can see we have this in and out marker. So if you want to make the duration or make it come faster and go out really slow, then you can just simply change these markers and it will adjust the animation in and out durations according to that. Editing part is very easy. So instead of going inside the comp, all you have to do is just simply select the element that you have imported and if you go over here, you can see we have this customizer option. So if I click on it, you can see we have these options. So I can just simply select and change the color of the text. So you can see that we are getting this really nice preview of the text and in the same way you can change the background color, whatever you want. It's completely up to you. You can also edit your text. So you can go under the edit text section and from here you can just simply type whatever you want and it will automatically update your text over here. So this is how you can quickly add your elements and edit them. So if you want to add your image, you can just simply go inside the comp and let me just quickly import my image. So let's try this one and you can just simply import it. Let's resize it something like this. So if I go back here, you can see that now all the elements have been updated. So you can see how easy it is to create these kind of animations. And let me just quickly show you one another cool feature of this extension. So if I delete this and let's go over here and let's try some other slideshow. Let's try this one. So if I click on it, so now you can see that our animation has been applied. So right now you can see that it is a horizontal comp, and what if I wanted this to be in a vertical composition? So let me just quickly show you how easy it is. So let's say I change this composition settings and let's set this to 1080 by 1920. So now you can see we have this really nice vertical comp, and I want this animation to fit according to that. So all you have to do is just simply select the slideshow or whatever element you have. Then you can go under the toolbar section, and from here we have this option called resize item. So if you just simply click on it, now you can see that within just one click we have changed our animation, and now it has aligned itself according to the vertical comp. So you can see how easy it is to change these type of settings, and it will save you a lot of time. So there are a bunch of different options. So if you want to loop this animation, you can just simply click on it. Just make sure that the element is selected. So now you can just simply increase its duration and it will keep on looping. You can stretch the time, you can make it faster, slower, you can change the in and out time. You can also reverse the layer. So this is how you can use these options. So let's check out some of the other categories and let's go under the typography. So here you can see that we have some really nice modern typography animations which are really popular right now. So you can just simply preview them and you can just click on apply and it will import it into your comp. And right over here we have some other different typography animations. So these are looking very nice, and all these can be customized by simply going under the customizer, just like I showed you with the slideshow. And you can see we have bunch of different categories, so you can just simply scroll down and just check out all the animations. So over here we have these transitions. So these are very nice if you want to transition between two scenes. So we have these brush kind of transition, we have the ink transitions, light leaks, shapes, and all these are very nicely designed. So you can use them to create some really nice looks just like these. So we have the titles. So these are very handy once you are working with some videos. So you can use them on your YouTube videos, or if you're working on a documentary or something like that. These are very nicely designed and you can use them wherever you want. Again, you can see how many different categories are over here, and we have bunch of subcategories within them, and you can just simply preview them just like this. And let me just quickly delete this one and let's import some of these. Let's try this one. So let me just quickly scale this up since it is a vertical comp, and here you can see that we have our animations. And again, you can select this, then go under the customizer and you can change the colors to whatever you want. You can also edit your text just like this. So you can see how easy it is to use these kind of animations. And let's check out some of these. We have some different quotes if you want to quote a line or something like that. We have these really beautiful wedding titles. So if you're working on a wedding project, you can use these as well. And we have a bunch of lower thirds. So these are also very nicely designed, and you can see how easy it is to navigate around this pack by simply going under the category, and you can pick whatever animation you want. And in the same way, there are different type of elements like Instagram stories. So if you are working on an Instagram project, then you can just create a really nice and professional Instagram stories just like these, and you can change the text, color, add your own images, and you are ready to go. You can also create some posts. So if you are working on Instagram posts, then you can use these as well. We have this section for social media. So these are very nicely designed, and if you want your audience to subscribe or follow you, then you can just simply add these elements and you can make more engaging content for your audience just like these. And you can see we have bunch of different animations. We have some animated social media logos as well, so you can use these over here. We have different type of call outs, shape elements. So these are very nicely designed, and if you want to create some motion graphic elements, then these burst elements will be your best friends. And we have a bunch of different animated lines, and all these are very nicely designed, you can see. And we have some different animated icons. So these are line icons, so you can see that all these are animated, and you can see how many different categories are over here. And we have these animated backgrounds. So let me just quickly import this one. So you can see that in just one click you can import the elements into your comp, just like this. And you can see that it is an infinitely long background, so you can just simply change its duration to however you want, and all the animations will be applied according to that. So we have the infographic. If you want to display some kind of data, then you can use these. We have audio spectrum, so if you want to play a song, if you have an audio channel, then you can use these for your podcast or stuff like that. We have different type of badges. We have gradient background, so I really like these ones. So instead of having a plain background, you can have these really nice gradient backgrounds, and this will really enhance your look. We have different type of color filters, so these are very easy to use. Let me just quickly show you. Let's import our image. So let's try this one, and let me just quickly scale this down, something like this. So you can just simply pick whatever color correction you want, then you can just simply select the layer and just apply. So now you can see we have applied this really nice color correction preset onto this, and you can just simply enable it or disable it by clicking on this eye icon, just like this. And there is one really nice feature in this. If you feel like that your project is getting slow, and you can just simply click on this icon to remove all the unused elements, and you can see that now it has automatically deleted all the elements that we are not using right now. So it will make your project really fast. And you can see there are different type of color palettes over here, so these are pre-built into it. You can also import these and then change the colors according to your palettes. And we have different type of text animation and other animation presets, so these are pre-animated. So all you have to do is just simply drag and drop onto your layer and the animations will be applied. So we have the text preset, which you can apply based on characters or words, however you want. So just have a text layer, and then you can just simply click on apply, and it will automatically apply the text animation. And let me just quickly type whatever I want, and then just simply select it, just click on apply. Now you can see that the animation is applied, and I can just simply place it, and now you can type whatever you want. There you go. Now you can see that our animations are already applied. And in the same way you can apply any of these text presets, and you can just simply create some really nice looking animation just like these. So over here we have these sound effects, and these are very nicely categorized. So if you want to quickly navigate to a particular sound effect, then you can just simply go under that category, and if you hover your mouse onto that, and it will give you a really nice preview over here. And I'm not sure whether you are able to hear any of these audios, but right now you can see that in this section the audio is playing. And again, importing it is very easy. Just simply click on this plus icon, and you can see that it has imported the sound effect into our timeline. So overall you can see that how well made this pack is, and it has bunch of different categories and subcategories which you can use to create some really nice animations. And you can already see that this pack will save you a lot of time once you start using it. You can also add some of these elements to your favorite list so that you can quickly access them. So let's say I want to add this to my favorite, and let's add this to my favorite section. And after that, all I have to do is just simply click onto the favorite icon, and it will show me all the elements that I have favorited, and I can just quickly remove them from here. Now if I go back here, you can see that the element has been removed. So this is how you can create your own favorite list, and you can have your elements that you use the most. So this is how you can use this pack. And as I mentioned earlier, that right now it's on sale, and along with that you will get 2 other packs for absolutely free. So I'll put all the links in the description below from where you can get this pack, and you can claim your rewards after that. So if you have any queries or questions, then you can ask in the comments below. So with that being said, my name is Abhishek, and I'll see you in the next one.